Welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Zeta X1 Pro pop-up folding table. So inside it comes with a table. You get a quick start guide user manual. So it shows you how to fold and unfold the table, and then they give you a thank you card. Briefly going over some specs, this table measures in at 28 by 20 inches and has a max height of 28 inches. Max load of 75 pounds and it weighs in at 15.4 pounds. There's three height adjustments, 21, 25, and 28 inches, which I'll go over in a few. It has an HDP tabletop, honeycomb design on the bottom, and an adjustment button with a steel framework and plastic foot caps. It also comes in three colors, white, gray, and black. So taking a look at the table, it's got a HDPE top. You got the Fanttik branding on the top here as well. And then the bottom, you can see the honeycomb texture. And then you have the steel base here. So folding and unfolding the table is simple. There's a plastic cover on the button here. So you just want to open that cover and then you push the button. So once you push it down, you can fold it. And it's about 3 inches when it's folded. And then unfolding it, basically just press the button down. The first height is 21 inches, so you'll hear it click. And then press the button again. This is 25 inches. And then just pull up again, and you have 28 inches. So there's three heights, 21, 25, and 28. So again, folding and unfolding, I'll just go ahead and press the button here. Hold it down. Now it's folded. Easy to transport, carry, very light. Again, it's only 3 inches when it's folded. And then unfolding it, just press the button. The first height again is 21, and then just pull back up, 25 and 28. So the tabletop is 20 by 28 inches, and then it has a max load of 75 pounds. Okay, so that's a look at the Zeta X1 Pro pop-up table. As you saw, it's easy to fold and unfold, pretty portable, and multiple height adjustment levels. You can use this outdoors or indoors. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.